So there's also a lakeside line gonna be coming soon, but it's not ready yet. So we're gonna be doing the southern line today.
Tomorrow we will do the Hayward line.
So
why not?
So this is Alpine Plains. Alpine Plains. The next stop will be Northland. Transfers available to the Hayward line.
So that's
Northland.
Okay.
Doors are closing.
Next stop, Snowbridge.
Doors are closing.
There's one on the other side. Next stop, Rainbow East.
The next stop, that was Northland, so the next stop is Snowbridge.
And then after Snowbridge is Rainbow.
And then after Snowbridge is Ventustown.
No, it's Rainbow East.
Okay, Snowbridge. Going to Southerton.
Next stop is
Ventustown.
It's going to be Rainbow East.
Doors are closing.
No, look at the map. We're at Snowbridge. It says the next stop is Ventustown, so the next stop is Ventustown.
They're going to forgot.
Okay, we'll see when we get there.
Now opening on that side.
Ventustown.
Through the Hayward line. Across the platform. And
the next stop will be Rainbow. And also
center of this line.
So the next stop will be Ventustown. The next stop will be Rainbow East.
Doors are closing.
Rainbow East. If we walk to Rainbow, what's that sound?
What's the sound of it?
Doors are closing.
Anyway, the next stop will be...
Doors are closing.
The next and last stop will be Southerton. And guys, I got a surprise for you. So that was just Rainbow East. But I'm going to show you something when we leave Southerton.
Okay, but we're not going to get off there. So, yeah.
Southerton.
But we're not going to get off there.
Because I got to show you something at Rainbow Station if you never found out that. So yeah, the next stop will be
Rainbow East and Rainbow.
Next stop is Rainbow.
Doors are
So we're
closing.
gonna check it out.
Doors are closing.
There's the Hayward one.
So now let's go.
So the next stop is our stop.
Rainbow.
Why can't they just mix it up like Rainbow East?
So now
Rainbow Station.
Doors are
what if
closing.
you go down here?
This is Rainbow East Station.
This is Rainbow East. Is there another thing? Salvaging? Bruh, we missed it. Okay, well,
Doors
we're
are
not taking it.
closing.
Anyways, I might have to do the central line again because, yeah, I died last time, so I'm gonna redo the central line, and yeah, bye.